The SoundPEATS Truengine SE. Is it any good? Well, let's find out. So the other day I was browsing through Amazon and the SoundPEATS Truengine SE came up as one of the popular models for 2020. So I decided, why not? Let's give this a go. So here it is. Let's do the unboxing first. Show you a bit of the packaging. That's a case, instruction manual, additional rubber tips, USB charging cable. Alright, so here we have it, the SoundPEATS. 4-light LED indicator. Let me just see, here we go. So it's about 75% battery capacity out of the box. It's not going to fall out. Let's check the insides. Very nice. Let's try them on. So one of the most important tests I do is whether these things actually stay in the ear as you run. So here we go. Still good. Alright, so we know it's good for running and burpees. But how about the gym? Now that was just the initial test. I've actually been using this for over 2 weeks now. What I can say is, right off the bat, that it's probably one of the better headphones I've used so far. To put this simply, I would say this is a updated version of the Truengine. I actually feel that the Tuengine SE feels more comfortable in the ear and it doesn't protrude out like the original Truengine. So let me go through the controls. It's actually very easy. Just one click of the button on either side to start or stop the music. Now if you actually press 2 clicks, it would actually increase or decrease the volume by 1 step. If you want to go to the next track or the previous track, press and hold for about 1.5 seconds. Be mindful that do not hold on for too long, otherwise you actually turn off the earbud. Now if you want to activate your Google Assistant or Siri or Amazon, press 3 times consecutively. Now in terms of the sound quality, this is definitely one of the better ones I've reviewed on my channel. If we compare this to the original Truengine, I would say that the sounds are very similar. It has the same dual dynamic driver, which gives it a very nice, almost like a surround sound effect. Now one of the most common questions that I'll get asked is whether there are actual audio lag when using this for watching videos. This is one of the better ones, and I didn't notice any audio lag when watching YouTube, Netflix. You can be assured that this is top notch when it comes to audio lag and sound quality. So what about actually making phone calls? Now I've tried this both indoors and outdoors. It works great indoors. However, if you're outdoors and it's windy, a lot of background noise, cars, birds chirping, they don't really do a good job of blocking out the outside noise. So that's something to consider. Now on paper, the manufacturer claims that these buds last up to 6 hours per single charge, and you can charge it up to 4 times. Now I've actually been using this for about 2 weeks, about 1 hour a day, 3 lights remaining on the LED indicator. Now what does that mean? It means that the case has at least 75% battery capacity left. To me, that's pretty good. That's pretty amazing. Now in terms of the build quality, the case feels very premium. The buds themselves are solid. I've actually dropped one of these and I didn't even see a single scratch on the buds. It's very solid and it's got a little bit of weight to it. So overall, I think these are really good value for what you pay for. So at the time of this review, these retail for $50 on Amazon. But to me, this is really a bargain for 2020. I've reviewed various earphones on my channel, all around $30 to $50 range, and I think we have a winner here. Now, if you're in the market for a new pair of headphones that you don't want to spend $200–300 on, really consider these. I'll put the link in the description below. Check it out. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Once you click on the link, have a look at the Amazon review. You won't be disappointed. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Like always, thank you for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.